Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So as usual, I'm going to discuss the global market and we'll discuss some important US indices also, and along with that analyze the Nifty 50 chart, and we'll discuss the important key levels for the next week. So to know the Nifty 50 levels and the global market update, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular indices update and stock market update. So let's begin the video with the global market. We'll discuss one by one. And yes, the one important thing, important update, that the HDB Financial Services IPO has been listed 2nd of July, I guess. One good news also that I also got this IPO, and who all of you has got this HDB Financial Services IPO? Please comment me on comment box so I will also know who all you got the HDB IPO. So let's go ahead with the global market, and you can see in this index, this mm, table, that how was our Indian stock market on Friday. You can see it was positive, moderate. I will not say it was very good. It was overperforming, but yes, it was moderate. Or that we will discuss later in the chart. Ki what was all happening last week, so that we will discuss later. First you can see Friday it was moderate, flat. Actually, we can say it is flat. US market, if you see US important US indices, you can see DJI was also positive, flat. Even the S&P 500 was good. Nasdaq was very good, even 1% up, so more than 1% up. So overall these is, and small cap 2000 also 1% up. So small this US indices was also performing good on Thursday, as I guess 4th of July is it is their holiday because of their Independence Day, I guess. So maybe the US market was actually closed on 4th of July, जैसा कि यहाँ के आज 5th of July है, but उनका 4th of July है. तो this is the market is not working on 4th of July. So this is overall indices performance on last working day of US, and even last working day of our Indian market. Let's see the commodities. So commodities mein we can see gold is as usual flat, 3300 around the gold is trading. Silver is looking more good than gold, because gold has reached its high level. So यहाँ से गोल्ड गोल्ड में बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर जाने की पॉसिबिलिटी इज नॉट दैट मच जितना कि सिल्वर की है. सिल्वर हैज more space, more room to go upside. So silver is looking little better than gold. If we talk the important thing, the Brent oil, as you all know, the ceasefire happened, no war is happening, is going on anywhere. So Brent oil is again at trading its comfortable level, and it is trading at around 68, 67, which is very good support for the Brent oil. So Brent oil is trading at comfortable level, good level, flat level. So it is till it is not breaking below side of 65 around 65 के थोड़ा ऊपर ही, तब तक till then the Brent oil is trading at its it's at good support, it's good level. Because of the war, it reached to even 78, 79 level also, but now from there 78 to 79 level it has cooled down, and now it is trading at comfortable zone, which is 68, 67, and 66 around. So Brent oil is trading at good level. So there is no uh, issue in Brent oil now. So this is okay. Now if you see the USD INR, the USD INR is also at flat level at 85. Indian rupees against the dollar is trading at flat at 85, which is also a comfortable zone for the Indian rupees. Now let's go to the Nifty 50 chart, and then we will see what was happening for the whole week. We'll understand. Here you can see this trend line and this trend line, which I also kept drawing even in my last videos. Also, this range I kept drawing, this trend line I kept drawing, which is very important. And you can see even still on this day, which was 26th of June, Thursday, means not this week, before this week, last week I'm talking about, means this week ke pehle wala week. So that day the Nifty 50 has given a good clear cut breakout. With this breakout, I talked about this breakout, given a follow up candle also, but from here again it has started falling last week. So last week it was going down, only falling downside. And the last day of the week, which was Friday, it has tested this support level, and from here again given a good pull off, we can say reversal. See here this candle, or yahan tak whole last week it was doing that, this falling, all these red candle. Market was not performing that good in last week, and from here again it has tested, it has touched this level and again went back. So we can say the, for the matlab, looking this scenario, we can say the good breakout happened with follow up candle. Then again it has retested also, retested the breakout level, again going back. But what may happen in next week, that we have to watch closely, that is it taken reversal and going upside, or again it is breaking this and going downside. We have to check these levels in next week. So please be mindful with this support level, which is 25,300 to, we can say 25,200, means 25,200 to 300 is a very crucial support for the Nifty 50, which you have to keep close watch in next week. If it is not breaking this 200 level, it may go back again to this level of 25,650 around. And if it's breaking this 25,650 to 700, it may again go to it may test the all time high of 26,200 or 26,000 at least, for short term I'm talking about. So you have to watch this 25,650 level for support. For resistance I'm talking, 25,650 level will be a resistance if taking reversal and going this level. If it's breaking 25,650 to 700, 25,700, okay, I'll take the round figure, 25,700, it may immediately reach to 26,000, no doubt behind this, but need to break this 25,700. So these two resistance is very important, 25,700, and then definitely it will reach to all time high, which is 26,250. But after breaking 26,000, पहले 26,000 पे जाएगा, may take little bit time, thoda bahut resistance may take little bit resistance, and then may go to 26,250, which is all time high. Support may I just mentioned 25,200 to 300, I will take one support. So 25,200 is a final and broader range for the support. But if it's breaking 25,200, then again it may fall more, or this trend line already showing a very good support again for the Nifty 50, which is 24,700. It may reach to 24,700. So overall, I can say I have discussed two, three important levels. You should be very mindful with these important three, four levels, which is actually you have to keep watch on these levels in next week, where the Nifty 50 will take direction. Yes, Nifty 50 breakout is already done. I just even in my last video I have just mentioned that breakout to ho chuka hai, breakout is already done. Even follow up candle भी मिल चुका है, but retesting, but the Nifty 50 is retesting, and now we have to keep watch on this retest. It is retest or it is going to fall more. But here the last candle, if you will see, I can see it may take reversal from here, and it has retested nicely and may take reversal from here for the more upside till at least 25,650 to 700 for the next week short term. After that, yes, we'll update on this 26,000 level. Important key levels: support 25,200. If it's breaching this level 25,200, the 24,700 will be a important and very important crucial level. So, or support में I spoke the two levels, 25,700, and then after 26,000, and then 26,250, which is the all time high. So this was it for the whole week. I have discussed the global market, and I have analyzed the Nifty 50 chart in detail, discuss the important key level also. You should be mindful with these two trend line, this line and this range also. This range already broken, but you have to be actually mindful with this range. If I have to repeat the important key level for the Nifty 50, support 25,200 and resistance 25,700. After breaking 25,700, 26,000 will be a important crucial resistance, and then of course all time high 26,250. So like and share the video for the others also, and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update, global market update, and indices levels update. Signing off.